Welcome to Brian's Weight Loss Journey. Today we'll be reviewing 3 different snacks from Thin Slim Foods. This one is the chocolate chip cookies. They're little mini cookies. Then we got the brownie, and we have blueberry muffin. Start with these first. Now it says to make them more crispy, you put them in the freezer, and so that's what I did. And it does make them a little more crispy, but they're still not really that crispy. It has 1 net carb. It's gluten free. Has 2 servings per container, and there's quite a few in here, but 160 calories. That's still kind of high. But with being such low sugar, actually I think it's 0 sugar. Well, you got 8 sugar alcohols, so you might as well say 0. It's got some good 3 grams of fiber, sodium's 135. It's not bad. It's pretty good, except for it's $6 for this little thing. So, but as far as not taking price into account, as far as taste, yeah, I'd probably give it a 4. Not sure I would order them again, just because for calories are kind of high for what you get per serving. Because there's really not that many in here. There's only 2 servings, so it says 8 cookies, so 16 cookies in here total. And you saw how big they were; they're tiny. So I'd give that a 4. Well, let's try the brownie. It's pretty good size. It's $2.49 and 45 calories. So that's real good for a brownie. And this has 2 net carbs. Still not bad. There we go. Feels almost more like fudge than anything. Has that same weird texture that the almond bar had in the last review. It's hard to explain. I mean, the flavor is good, and with that thick, heavy texture, I mean, it'd probably be filling too. I mean, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, but got one more thing here to review. So $2.49, still a little high, but I mean, it's not bad. I'd probably still give it a 4 also. Not sure if I would order it again. Probably not. There's other things out there that I think are probably better. But I mean, it's not too bad. And this is it's $2.99, and it's the blueberry muffin. This has 40 calories and 2 net carbs. There we go. Oh, as soon as I open that, all I could smell is blueberries. So it smells really good. Hopefully it tastes as good as it smells. Hey, that's weird. It literally smells better than it tastes. Okay, now I'm getting that smell too. It doesn't taste like a blueberry muffin. It tastes like blueberry gum. I mean, it literally tastes like if you've ever had blueberry gum, blueberry flavored gum. That's what this tastes like. Really weird. I mean, you'd expect it to be chewy. And that is weird. Definitely wouldn't get that again. I mean, it's not bad tasting, but you don't expect a muffin to taste like gum. I mean, yeah, it's weird. That fake blueberry flavor. Yeah, really weird. And there's no blueberries in it, so it must be just some kind of additive that they add into it. And $2.99 for that little muffin. Yeah, definitely wouldn't get this again. Let's say, I mean, it smelled great when you first opened it. That was awesome, but yeah, not that good. I'd say probably I'd give this a 2. 10 sugar alcohols. There's a little bit of sodium. I mean, as far as nutrition, it's pretty good for you. Egg whites, oat fiber. Trying to see if this says anything about, baking soda, natural flavors. Like, yeah, I don't see anything about blueberry. Yeah, I don't know. That's a really odd. The texture of this is actually pretty good, but the flavor and the smell, that when you get it real close to you, when you first open it up, it just smells like blueberries. That's it. But then you get it close to you, and it smells like blueberry gum, like blueberry bubble gum. Texture is a little weird on that, but the taste is really good. Those textures good. I wish they were a little more crunchy, but that's just personal taste. Only reason I wouldn't order those again is because I can't see paying $6 for this little thing, plus shipping. If you get a coupon or something, I might get those again if I can get them about half the price with shipping. But yeah, say a 4. I'd say a 4. This a 2. Probably wouldn't get that again because the texture is just a little off, but the flavor is real good. So if you can get back past the texture, the brownies are really good. And $2.49, that's not too bad. Probably a little high, but some of your like gourmet brownies are, that price, $2.50. And they're packed with sugar and everything else. So, that being said, please like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's other products you'd like to see, or products that you've done and what your opinion is on those products. I'd love to hear it. And have a great day. Thanks. Bye.